Our manufacturing cousin's here.
Can't wait to open it.
Look, there's a letter inside.
Your puzzle is not in here. It's being held somewhere near. Go to a company called Sealed Air and your puzzle will be found there. Let's go!
Look, it's clue 1.
He's the boss, but he's no meanie. Go and find Mr. Mike Feeney.
My name is Michael Feeney, and I'm the Executive Director of Paper Operations. This paper mill was built in the late 1800s. And we've been operating it ever since for the last 28 years because we recycle about 20 to 25,000 tons a year. Here's your puzzle piece and your clue.
If you want the foreman who runs the show, go to see Mr. Albert Santiago.
My name is Alberto Santiago. My job was production supervisor here at Sealed Air Corporation.
The paper making process starts when we add recyclable bales and water into what we call a pulper. It blends it up and eventually comes out on the other end. As we get to the wire, we start removing water from each vacuum. This is where we start our formation of the sheet. Then finally, we start going into our dryers where we eliminate even more. When we start this process, it's 99% moisture. Finally, we're about 6% moisture.
Here's the piece and the clue.
If you need something fixed, it's a no-brainer. Go to see Mr. Steve Rayner.
My name and job is Stephen Rayner. I'm the maintenance foreman at Sealed Air. For my job, I order parts, keep the machine running, and assist the production crew with whatever they need. Your puzzle piece and clue.
If you want to see the machines run, go to see Mr. Brandon Dunn.
I'm Brandon Dunn, and I'm a back tender at Sealed Air. For my job, I do the quality control test. This is the process of the quality control test. We test for the strength, absorbency, and the smoothness of the test to meet the quality of the customer's needs. What I do is important because if I don't do my quality control tests, then everything that we ship off will basically be sent back. Here's the final piece to the puzzle.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
Watching this paper machine run.
Basically the daily experiences with your coworker and basically learning more of making paper every step you move up.
It's the actual freedom that they give me to learn and teach.
Being able to take someone else's issues and come up with a solution.
Manufacturing is so important because we support about 45 people here with very well-paying jobs that allow them to support their families.